Alright guys, a pretty cool update for you guys. Some of you know, some of you don't know, but I have a new online store, pulsarcbsales.com. So I'm happy to announce that. Kind of expanding into the retail side of things. Website is easy to use, so you don't get confused, or try to get lost in some of these websites. But it's pretty basic layout, easy to use, like I stated. But I carry pretty much the whole line, not pretty much, I carry the whole line of President radios on the CB side. Galaxy, Cobra, and Uniden. I don't carry Ranger. I don't intend on carrying anything from Ranger. I know Galaxy and some of the other stuff is Ranger, but I don't carry actual Ranger products. I've tried reaching out to them and several times, phone calls and emails, and they just don't respond to the little guys. So I'm not going to be carrying anything from Ranger, and I'm pretty happy with that. But yeah, so there's the CB radios, 10 meter radios, 12 meter radios. So yeah, President, Galaxy, Striker. I carry the whole line of Striker radios as well. Including the SR94 HPC and the SR25 MC, as well as the other well-known Striker radios. Also antennas. I can get pretty much any antenna that's available, but I only keep a few on the store online. Because if not, I'd literally have 100 pages of antennas and mounts and whatnot. So I can also get like vehicle-specific mounts for like your Jeep, or even on the heavy-duty side for like your Freightliners and Max and whatnot, Volvo stuff, like vehicle-specific stuff. Accessories, external speakers, power supplies. There's a Washington fan kit. This is just some of the stuff that I carry. Microphones, all sorts of microphones. Again, there's only a few here, but any microphone you guys need, I can get. I haven't done the used and custom radios yet. That's from stuff that I might be putting up for sale if I ever get a chance to do some custom stuff for sale and not customers. And some President hat, Midland hat, some stickers, whatever. So the website's up, and I'm happy about that. I've already made quite a few sales for the people who already knew about the store. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And also, I am an authorized President electronics dealer. So if you go over to the President electronics.us site and you go to find a dealer, if it'll ever load. Okay, there we go. Select Massachusetts. And you're going to find that that's me right there. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's pretty cool. Let me tell you, of all the manufacturers of radios, President has really helped me out a lot in, just trying to get some notoriety out there with some like promotional items, and helping me find a distributor, a wholesaler and stuff. So yeah, they've been great. I'm really happy that I'm able to become an authorized President dealer. So as you see there, it's online only. Because my store is online only. So, but I'm really happy about that. So, you guys want to go out and support a small business? I know there's a lot of places you can go shop, but go visit the website. You can read some information on what's available and whatnot. And if you guys are interested, just let me know. And again, if there's something that you guys don't see on the website, just send me an email or text me or whatever, however you want to get in contact with me, and see if I can get it for you. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.